Meaning of distribute.
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 Distribute. The word distribute means to divide something into parts and give each part to different people, places, or things. The result of distributing is that the original item or items become separated and are now in different locations or possessors. The act of distributing can also refer to dispersing information, goods, or services widely, such as distributing flyers to advertise an event or distributing food to those in need. Overall, distributing is an action that results in something being shared or allocated among different parties.